Here is the Highline RCH hydro mower. This video will show connecting the tractor to the mower. Make sure all safety precautions are taken when making adjustments. Be sure that the center of the drop bar pin hole is 16 inches from the face of the PTO shaft. Slide the Highline single point hitch onto the drawbar. If draw pin hole is too large for the supplied bolt, slide the supplied bushing into the drawbar and loosely fasten the hitch to the drawbar using the 1 1/4" bolt, lock washer, and nut. Attach the second 3/4 inch bolt, if applicable, to the second hole in the Highline hitch. Depending on the size of the drawbar, additional shims are supplied to place on either side of the drawbar to ensure a more secure fit. These are fastened into place with a 3/8 bolt. Tighten the 1 1/4" bolt to 600 foot-pounds and the 3/4 inch bolt to 260 foot-pounds. Line the hitch up directly with the mower and back tractor to the mower. Raise or lower the hitch with the jack to align the horizontal pin. Slide the pin through and fasten with 3/8 bolt and lock nut. Next, attach the safety chain. Then remove the jack and install in storage location. Slide and lock the PTO driveline to the tractor. Attach the hydraulic hoses to the desired remote. Connect the electrical harnesses. When hooking up the electrical in the cab, be aware that the power for the control box requires a direct line to the battery connection. This is recommended due to the amperage required by the cooling fan system.